My 9-year-old student recently said that he would like to work out a piano lullaby that he and his little sister listen to each night when they're going to sleep. It's beautiful, simple, and gets both our hands working together. So let's do it. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love sharing easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as this will really help me out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, often I've created improvisations with you that have focused on one hand and then the other, or we might have played a chord together and then featured one of the hands doing a little pattern. So let's jump into it and create a pattern for both hands. So C, up, B, all the way down to our D. Ready, set, go. Then we're going to extend out of that fifth down to the sixth and play the bass note, thumb, thumb again, then back to a fifth down here. So it'll go fifth to the sixth stretch, down to a fifth again, to the sixth stretch. Then we're going to go D, A, over. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. We'll go from F, step up, then leap up to C and E, down, down, finish on the F and the A with the D. Ready, set, go. Then we open up to our A flat pattern next and we count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go down to our C pattern. And repeat that again. A flat, 3, 4, 5, down, C. And now let's do that up to speed on the A flats. Ready, set, go. 3, 4, 5. Let's run it through now from the very beginning all together. Ready, set, go. Well, thanks so much for staying to the end. Happy music making and enjoy!